So, hello guys, I'm Bluezz, and this is a chat breakdown of USDJPY and what to expect on next week, Monday, when you are trading, right? So, I'm going to break down this chart using my own market psychology and my own way of trading and analyzing the chart. So, as you can see, the market seems to have been in a very short term downtrend over here. Oh, sorry. So, the market seems to have been in a short-term downtrend over here, and then the market broke out of the trend line, right, and it traded up to this price point over here. You see, the market, when it reached this level, it failed to continue the uptrend. So this thing that you are seeing here is not, it's not a break and retest, it is not a pullback. This entire thing, it's over. You understand? The market is now starting a new phase. This is really according to my own view of the matter. So this entire moves over here, it's over. This current move here is a new phase that the market has initially started. So you have to identify the most recent price that the market's reaching and failed to continue to upside, which is this one over here. If the market is supposed to break this price, where would it go next? Possibly this one over here, right? And then where was the last price on the market? If the market is supposed to break a certain level and that's a downtrend, where will it be? It will literally be this low over here, because this is the last higher low that the market um, formed before it actually bought and then filled and then dropped to the downside again. So then you mark that last low to, you mark it. So the psychology behind it is this: just in case price breaks this level and then retest it, you are going to look for a selling opportunity to the downside, because by now you'll be confident that you are literally in a real downtrend. And when the market breaks this level and retests, you buy and then you take profit over here. And when it breaks this level and retests it, you buy and then hold it. So in our current trend phase, you can see that there's one of my systems. According to one of my systems that I've developed, this thing here that you can see is called an inverse bottom shoulder. Usually it resembles inverse head and shoulder pattern, right? As long as that thing is there, it simply means that you shouldn't be placing order that invest this level. You shouldn't be placing orders there. You might take a loss. So I'm going to mark that level too. So what do I mean by that? Per the inverse head and shoulder, when price touches the second shoulder, you literally have to be taking either a buy or selling point, as you can see over here. So this is our left shoulder. The market broke out. This is now our right shoulder. I'm expecting a drop to the downside like this. Now, me, I'm a day trader, I'm not a swing trade, so I will literally drop down to the 1 hour time frame to look for my, and sorry guys, to look for my entry. So on the 1 hour time frame, you can see that there is a last higher low over here, right, and an inverse bottom shoulder. So you have to mark this low over here, and then you have to wait for price to break out of this level, retest it, and then you can look for a sell opportunity to the downside, right? But do not think of selling it exactly from inside the zone. It may fail and bounce off and start buying to the upside. So you must wait for it to either break this level that I've drawn, retest it and take a sell to the downside, or you wait for it to break this level and provide a buy signal, and then you buy and then hold it also to the upside. So this is how what I'm literally expecting next week. So for your sell, your TP1 will be at near that 154.978, and for the buy, so TP1 will be near 156.874. Sorry. So guys, this is my first video. I really hope you like it.